Now, the reason we chose to take our body off was because we were aware that there was some rot in this fuel tank cross member, a place where the Hiluxes are known to go, and it is going to be easier to repair that with the tub off. But we also wanted to find out where this little fuel leak was coming from, and I think we've found that out. Well, on this Toyota Hilux we are replacing the fuel filler neck. Now, I do like to repair things, but I think this was just beyond it. It's probably perforated from top to bottom, because I can see the traces of rust on the inside, which I imagine have come from the outside. The breather pipe has also rotted away to nothing. So we've taken the plunge and bought a new one, and I would imagine from the pages and pages of new ones available on eBay that this is a regular problem. Well, we are replacing it with the tub off, because we happen to have the tub off. So I'm afraid I can't really tell you how to do it with the tub on, but I imagine it is possible. I can tell you that this hose clip was very, very difficult to get off, so we are replacing it, and the sprung hose clips on the breather pipe were beyond further use, so we're replacing those with new clips too. The thing is held onto the chassis with one 12mm headed screw. The new one will be anyway. The old one had completely rotted away, so it wasn't held on at all.